Roma, we have a player who is arguably one of the greatest players ever in Italy, which is Francesco Totti. And Francesco is 39 years old, and while he still has unbelievable talent and skills, you know, it's obvious to him, I think, and to a lot of people that, you know, he can't still play the same way. He just doesn't. His body does one thing while his mind, you know, says another. And he wants to, his contract's up this year, and he wants another contract. And the pressure in Rome for me giving him another contract is incredible. But I've had many conversations with him and said, you're going to be with us for 30 plus years. You know, think about this of how you go out. And, you know, it's a really difficult, I don't find it to be difficult, but it's difficult with the culture in Italy of how, you know, a player like that who has sold the most shirts for a long period of time, you know, is the face of Roma, which he'll be with us for 30 years in other roles or 40 years, whatever.